What happens when you're running daily? Regular physical exercise, such as running, can have numerous positive effects on your overall health and well-being. Here are some potential benefits you may experience when running daily. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Running can help strengthen your heart and lungs, leading to better cardiovascular health. 2. Weight management. Running burns calories and can help you maintain a healthy weight. 3. Improved mood. Physical exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce stress and anxiety. 4. Increased energy. Regular exercise can improve your energy levels and reduce feelings of fatigue. 5. Better sleep. Running can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. 6. Stronger bones. Running can help improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 7. Improved immune function. Regular exercise can boost your immune system, helping to protect you from illnesses and diseases. It's important to note that running daily may not be suitable for everyone, and it's essential to listen to your body and make sure you're not overdoing it. If you experience any pain or discomfort while running, it's essential to rest and seek medical attention if necessary.